kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Ramba Kajila Conrad ke Sangma hagasngi sajan ula Pynshai baki kubor badang shen ki bapenmi ibat kam baka PA Sangma Stadium kamlong ke Shngaiñ kilong ki kubor ki bomday bat ki bayalam bakla shikat di ula penpau bakamat ka datang ya kawe ke benta jong kamadan ke westan bat om ya ke jingtay barok kawe Menteri Ramba ula batai baya ke jingker bala penskam lashna shwa bante ya ke projek madanya lekai ke benta bat kam day ke benta jong ke jingtay thamai ke kenro kaladan menshwa bat kalatwab yang namar balate ya ka laslemba hadian ketika jingtua Conrad ulong baka sorkar kalau menjore ke pisa ke bakumba sau pusan kelur tingka nak benta kani ke projek bala pendep ya ke jingthap tender la ay ka kam bala commitment baka jingtay kan sedang no shen Halor ke jingdan kam jaka Menteri Ramba ke jila ulong badan kam ya ke benta jong ke jaka ke balabat menta da ke shipai BSF nak benta ban penhe ya ke westan bat ban shna ya ke surok ban de chi katu kani ke jaka ke badan harum jong ke madan ya lekai ulak do bada ki spa tali ki yeng ki don hagini ke jaka ke pendong ya ke jaka bandan kam na ke jingpet ya ke jing Shngaiñ nak liang ke jingtei ba ke jing Shngaiñ Conrad ulong ba ke westan ke don kam ban shna kirki pula benra bru berada pha ya ke shiti ka Coal India Limited hak bala batai halor ke jing bat pa ni ke jaka badan kam ban penya chakmat ya ke kam Menteri Ramba ula banjur ba ke jing kren bat ke Coal India Limited kam shimla penpau ba ke badan barok ke wei kalong ke bom Shngaiñ handai labu upot bet ya projek westan ulong ba ya ketika mat la sngut hu baklalut bat pentip ba ketenat ya lekai ru kan sepenmi ya ke jing Pynshai halor keni Conrad ula kentui kilat batai khobor ban penlong ya ke jing Pynshai ke babyang shwa ban penmi ya kum kini ki khobor dak ba maham ba ke jing penmi khobor ke klem tikna bat ke bakerki kala ban wanra ya ke jing kulmar bat pendu ya ke jing shanya jong kilat batai khobor
in one of the newspapers that said that DDMA, the Disaster Management Authority district, has declared PS Sangma Stadium as unsafe. This particular statement that came out in one of the newspapers is completely incorrect and completely misinterpreted. And again, I urge the press fraternity to please do their research properly before coming out with such statements which completely mislead the people. The fact of the matter is very simple, that as you're aware, the PS Sangma Stadium had three corners which were part of the, for the football stadium, which were part of the initial first phase of construction. The west stand was a stand where earlier the construction had taken place before we started the project, and there was a retaining wall there that was present out there. If you remember, that retaining wall collapsed. Again, this was partly done long time back. This was not part of the PS Sangma Stadium's new project construction. Hence, once the retaining wall fell, we then decided to take it up under the state government. So about 45 crores has been sanctioned for it. We have gone ahead with the tendering and work has been allotted and work will start soon. Now, in that whole process, we do require some land from the Coal India, because Coal India is right behind it, where BSF is there right now. That property is required, some part of the property is required because we need to extend the west stand. At the same time, we need a road also that will lead to some of the localities that are staying below. Hundreds of houses are there. So keeping all of that in mind, we need that extra space. And therefore, the DDMA had written to Coal India saying that kindly give that space because this entire structure is unsafe from the point of view that if we continue like this, for Coal India point of view and other point of view, that west stand area needs to be constructed immediately. So it's a letter that is directed to Coal India to give them the seriousness of why we need the land from them. It is not a statement that is talking about the unsafety of the whole stadium and the construction as a whole, but from a specific point of view of allowing Coal India to give that space for the construction so that we can do the west stand. So therefore, it's been completely misinterpreted, and I thought it's appropriate that we clarify that, and we will send a statement also from the sports department. But more importantly, I urge our press fraternity that rather than just be very excited about some news and just giving out news without doing proper research, it only brings doubt and brings down the credibility of the agency themselves. Thank you.